This is the good old agent studio listing page. So I'm gonna create a new agent here.
Nice. What are you going to build?
Today I'm going to build an agent. It's a very simple thing. It translates a piece of English into alpha language. Alpha is like the what came after Gen Z, right? So
All right.
what should this agent do? You are a translator that uses language from the alpha gen of people in America. Whoops, not Popol, people in the US. Okay, your translator uses language from. Okay, you will use words like skibidi, Riz, and Ohio whenever possible, but also include all of the less known, what do you call it? Like words and expressions from this cohort of humans. Here's the text that I want you to translate for me, and then I will make use of a variable. I will call this text very simply. So okay, so the text here could be I went to a bar and I talked to a very nice lady. I think she's into me. I want to know if she would like to hang out sometime soon because I am a very nice person. All right. Now let's see if this works. We're using everything default. But even the opposite is real, right? So like if you hear something like skibidi Riz Ohio, whatever. All right, here we go. Perfect. Yo, I hit up this bar and vibed with a super chill shorty. I'm getting some serious Riz vibes from her. Like she's totally into me. I want to she sits down to chill sometime soon because I'm a solid dude, no cap.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. I love it. I'm going to continue. I think this is perfect. It worked. And now, what do I have here? 4 million new options. That's amazing. So we have the good old deploy as an API, right? If I take this and I put it into my terminal, it's going to basically run this agent. And I need to make sure that I replace text, which is a variable, with the actual text that I want to translate from like normals, American to alpha gen. You can also schedule it, right? Like you want to have this maybe run the exact variable at all times or a different variable. You can share with somebody, or here are the new features. And Daniele, take over because you can explain this better to me since you've seen it at the hackathon. How does this work? Guide me through what I should do to make this into an app that I can sell on Twitter to all my followers who hate me already. Please.
You ready? So this is a prompt that we pre-built for you. So Agent Studio pre-builds the prompt for this agent to turn this agent into a chatbot interface. So one single prompt already optimized for you. We built that. So all you have to do is to just copy this. So there's a little copy icon. Done. Go to Lovable.
All right. And make sure, can you guys still see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure I share the right thing.
Yes. And then
I'm gonna log in.
Oh, log in, yeah.
All right, gotta log in. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna paste it. That's all I'm gonna do.
Paste it.
Are you sure? No more notifications?
No, 0.
No way. I can't believe that. Okay, I'm doing it.
What best friends do to best friends.
All right.
All right.
I pasted it. I submitted it. It's doing something.